Hello students, today I am going to discuss one very important topic of science, that is change of states of matter. আজি আমি matter change of state study কৰিম। আমি already পাইছো যে there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases basically. So आज আমি discuss करें इस solid to liquid, then liquid to gas কেনেকৈ convert হয় with an example of water। আমি water example to লৈ আমি discuss কৰিম, ঠিক আছে। তো water যেতিয়া solid state থাকে সেইটো কি হয় ice। আমি সকলো জানো the solid state of water is ice. When it is heated it converts to water, again water is heated, then after a certain temperature which is known as boiling point it starts converting to vapor, which is gaseous state. Okay, so let us see one experiment. Suppose in one container there is ice. Here ice, 1 kg of ice is here, and the temperature of the ice is -5 degrees centigrade. Then we put one burner here and we starts heating. So what will happen? Initially the temperature of the ice will start increasing because heat will be supplied, heat energy is supplied, so the molecules of ice will get energized and its temperature will rise. So if we see the temperature scale, suppose this is a scale. Here the temperature is -5 degrees centigrade, then -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2 and so on. So in this direction temperature increases. Okay, now this condition corresponds to this point -5 degrees centigrade, where heating is just started and temperature will start to increase. Now if we see the heat will continuously be supplied, and if we see that observe the temperature will rise. So at this moment, suppose we draw this diagram at this point -3 degrees centigrade. So it will be same as the previous one. Heat will supplied. Here ice is equal to 1 kg. So there will be ice only of 1 kg. No conversion is started till now, and temperature only changes the temperature. Here temperature will be -3 degrees centigrade. Okay, similarly at -4 degree, -2, -1 the condition will be same. The mass will be 1 kg, only temperature will rise. But when it reaches 0 degree, what will happen? Here ice plus water is equal to 1 kg. That means at the moment when the temperature reaches 0 degree, the ice will start melting. Okay, this point is called the melting point of ice. Melting point 0 degree centigrade. Okay, so here I have shown schematically that some part of the ice is melted to water and some part is still there as ice. So here composition will be ice plus water, total mass will be 1 kg. and this will start melting up to the point until and unless the total amount of 1 kg ice is completely melted into water, the temperature will not rise. So at this moment, when there is total water only, then ice is completely melted, temperature is still 0 degree centigrade. Here temperature is 0 degree centigrade, here also. Okay, this amount of heat from this point, starting of melting to end of melting, we are continuously supplying heat. So where does that heat go? A heat khini kot jabo? Temperature increase howa nai kintu melt hoise. So a heat khini melting or karone use hoise. That means that heat is called the latent heat of fusion. Okay, the fusion means melting. Latent, the meaning of latent is hidden. That means we don't see any increase in the temperature due to that heat. That's why called that heat is hidden inside the molecules. That means those molecules are converted into ice molecules are converted into water by absorbing that amount of heat. After that 0 degree centigrade, we are continuously supply heat. If we see at this point 1 degree centigrade, here will be water 1 kg, T will be 1 degree centigrade. Here after completely melting of the water, the temperature will start rising. It will become 1 degree, 2 degree, up to 100 degree. It will be increasing. Okay, so this is the concept of melting of ice to water, and also the concept of latent heat. So in a summary, we can see when 1 kg of ice, which temperature is -5 degree centigrade, is started heating, its temperature will rise up to 0 degree centigrade. At 0 degree centigrade, it will start melting, and until and unless the total amount of ice is completely melted into water, the temperature will not change. It will be still at 0 degree centigrade, because that heat is used to melt the total amount of ice, and not to increase the temperature. And that heat is called latent heat of fusion. After completely melting of the water, the temperature will again start rising, and during this moment we are continuously supplying heat, and temperature will start rising again after completely melting of the ice into water. Thank you.